In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoho Mail on your Windows device. Whether you're looking to enhance your email management capabilities or simply want a new way to handle your communications, Zoho Mail is an excellent choice. Let's jump right into the process to ensure a smooth installation experience. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to the official Zoho Mail desktop download page, which you can easily access at zoho.com/mail/desktop. Once you're on the site, you'll find several options, but since we're focusing on Windows today, look for the download link that corresponds to the Windows platform. Click on it to start downloading the .exe file, which is your installation package. Depending on your internet speed, this download might take a few moments. Now that the download is complete, locate the .exe file in your computer's Downloads folder or wherever your downloaded files go by default. Double-click on the file to initiate the installation process. This action will promptly launch the Zoho Mail installer. It's built to be very user-friendly, guiding you through each necessary step in an intuitive manner. As the installer opens, the setup wizard will begin to walk you through the process. You'll be presented with a series of prompts to which you'll need to pay close attention. Typically, the first step is reviewing the license agreement. It's always a good idea to take a quick look through these terms to ensure you understand the agreement you're entering into. Once you've done that and are comfortable with it, go ahead and click on Agree or Accept to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to choose the installation location. The default path will usually suffice for most users, but if you have a preference for where you'd like to install Zoho Mail, you can specify a different folder. Make your selection and proceed by clicking Next. The wizard will then ask if you wish to create a desktop shortcut. Having a shortcut can save you time in the future by allowing you quick access directly from your desktop, so it might be beneficial to check that option before clicking Next or Install. The installation process will take a few minutes. During this time, you might see a progress bar indicating the advancement of the installation. Once the progress reaches 100%, you'll likely see a confirmation message indicating that Zoho Mail has been successfully installed. Congratulations, you're almost ready to start using Zoho Mail. The final step is to log in with your Zoho account credentials to begin managing your emails effectively. If you don't have a Zoho account yet, you'll need to create one by visiting their sign-up page. Remember to use a strong password to keep your email secure. After logging in, you will have complete access to customize and optimize your email experience to suit your personal or business needs. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Zoho Mail on your Windows device, and you're all set to start exploring its robust features. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Enjoy your new email management system.